Are you tired of struggling with complex integrations? Simplifying your workflow shouldn't be a headache. Landbot offers an easy solution to connect all your favorite apps seamlessly. Start by signing up for Landbot. Access our integration library and connect directly from our platform. Need help? Our Knowledge Center has you covered with setup instructions. Is your desired app missing? Don't worry. You can use Webhooks or request a new native integration directly in our library. The best part: integrations come at no extra cost. Just check our pricing plans for availability. Landbot stands out by offering a user-friendly interface and comprehensive support. Make every integration a breeze and elevate your efficiency. Don't miss out on transforming your business processes. Sign up for Landbot today and unlock your integrations now.